Complexity, it varies between cases. Every complex case has a starting point, a middle, and an end. You just have to find a way to get into the middle, break it down to where you can finally get to the end. And it all takes is that first step. What do I know? What can I take to this case and break it apart into segments that I understand and that I can attack and I can dissect and I can find a strategy moving forward. And then once you get done with the areas that you know, then you can start picking apart the areas that you don't know, because now you have a foundation. You have a starting point. I know that this is a breach of contract. You may not know the deceptive trade practices that the business was in until you actually get into the weeds of it. But if you know, hey, I know there's a breach. Here it is. Here's what I picked apart. These are the elements. We've met the elements. You take that, you put that off to the side, and now you have a smaller piece of the pie that you have to dissect. And so you just keep dissecting it piece by piece with what you know, and then what's left over is what you don't know, and that's when the research comes in. That's when you start picking it apart and then going through just line for line and systematically breaking it down until you have a game plan and a means of attack.